Hello, hello, this is Cara. We are on episode 3, tags 6, 7, and 8. It's our third video of the 25 days of tags. And we have a window tag that I got glue on. So let's go ahead and glue this up. And then we'll decorate our tag. Or our journaling card, really. Yeah, I guess. Okay, let's do this. I think my problem was I didn't glue that corner correctly, so let's see if I did it correctly this time. I think so. Yeah, and that just slides right in. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Do you want her on the front or in the window? Let's see. Oh, there we go. I think kind of on the window would be cute, right? Alright, so let's put her right there. And put number 6. Be up in the corner, just like that. And let's add these stamps on here. This one. That one maybe right there. And then this one down in the corner. And we have a couple more. Alright, so then this will just go right back in here. Our stamps. And then back here, we can put this as our closure. Can even write a little note right there. We'll do a little stamping, or we could put, yeah, let's do that. Like that. And maybe stamp right here. Like that. Cute. Do we need a word? Let me go see. All right, I have Merry Christmas. Just like that. Do we want to add some glitter? Hold on. All right, I think I'm going to add some glitter to the holly of glue. And then that will just be a little something extra on this tag. Little stringies coming off. Maybe a little bit up here on her bow. And maybe her buttons. All right. I took one of the Tim Holtz's classes and they sent this little vial of the glitter. I can't remember what it's called. The rock candy glitter, I think. I'm not sure. No, this isn't rock candy. Maybe. I'm not sure what it is. And I have a bigger container, but it's nice that it's in this itty bitty container. Alright, can you see the little bit of sparkle? I'm getting it in the light. Just a little something. Should we go around the frame? Let's do that. Shake and tap. You see it? I need to sprinkle a little more. Yeah, just a little bit of something. Cute. Okay, I'm going to clean up and then we'll do tag 7. I'm going to let it dry and then maybe I'll put some right back here. All right, let that dry, clean up, and do tag 7. Okay, tag 7 is a library pocket. I have a piece of old music sheet and I'm going to use this to kind of put in the background. Of the bottom. I guess I should glue it on first. Let's do that, and then we will glue this on. I've already inked and scored. Let's do this side. Put that upside down. It's hard to tell. Stick, stick, stick. Okay. And this guy can slide right in there. Cute. Alright, so we have the Santa. So we have some holly bells and a bell. So what do we want? I think I want the Santa. And maybe a little holly behind him. And a couple tickets. Kind of like that. There's the holly. And there's the that, and we'll put number 7 right in the middle. Like that. Okay, and then back here, they have this little scrap. And I'm going to put that at the top up here. And do I want a ticket? Yeah, I'm going to have a ticket that's going off the side, and then I'm going to trim it off. Like that. Do I want the bow? Yeah, that looks cute. Let's add the bow. Okay. And this slides right in there, but it needs a topper. Let me go get something for that. Be right back. All right, I'm going to use some of the Tim Holtz Christmas palette fabric, which the palette kit is based on. And I love the holly fabric. I think I've already used one for a topper for something. I'm cutting this very awkwardly. Oh, maybe I made a cluster. Maybe that's what it was. Let's do this side. There we go. Cute. And that is 7. And then I'll add my little prompt afterwards. Cute. Oh, looks cute. You could also journal right there. All right, I think I'm going to leave it like that. All right, I'm going to let that one dry and get ready for 8. Okay, 8 is either a hidden pocket or you could take it and make it 3 tags. I'm going to just kind of fold it so it's a little, like a, I don't know, a holder, I guess. I don't know what we want to call it. And I think this can be used to hold our tag. Is that going to be wide enough? I think so. Let's do that. Like this. And the front's pretty well decorated. Maybe we need a label on the front. Or we might need a Christmas word. Changing my mind. Let's do a green. I wanted to do this before. Let's do a green sticker. So there's Santa. Oh, I always believe it's good. I think right up here. That looks perfect. I'll trim this off. Okay. And then let's open this up. Make sure I didn't glue it too much. And then let's add Santa to the tag. This could be a little tuck spot here too. Yeah, so we'll just glue that part of the Santa. Like that. Like that. But then that's not going to fit, is it? No! Alright, plan B. So we'll put Santa. We have to trim some Santa off. Okay. Santa will go there. And I do. I think I want, let's see. We have a piece that we didn't use. And then that could be a tuck spot. Okay, rounded the corner. And then we can do this on the corner. Like that. And then we can put this in here. And how about this piece from a different tag? Okay. Let's put this right here. And then we'll trim this off. You know what, that might look cute. And then maybe the number 8. All right. There we go. And again, I have to put my companion in there. This will be cute. Just kind of clipped on the side. Cute. Okay, so that is tag number 8. So let's take a quick look at the 3 tags. Here we have still drying tag 6 with our little bit of sparkle. I hope you can see that. And hopefully this didn't glue. There's our tag that we can journal on. That's, whoops, getting stuck. Tag number 6. And then we have this one, tag number 7. A little pocket. And, whoa. Tag number 8. Our little ephemera holder. Hope that didn't get stuck. Which tag is your favorite today? 6, 7, or 8. All right, so it is Thanksgiving week. So that means I think I'm doing, well, today's video, and then I think my next video will be Friday, so after Thanksgiving. Yeah, so come on back on Friday after you're full with turkey and maybe did some Black Friday shopping. Come on back to hang out and we'll make the next 3 tags. Alright, as always, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day and I'll see you really soon. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.